Jai Gurudev students, last time we have studied chapter number 4. Okay, I have explained you each and everything in this chapter number 4, growing up. Okay, so I have sent you last time new words and some exercises of this chapter. Okay, so children, today we will start chapter number 5. Okay, in this chapter students, you have studied about the growing up, means how the seeds grows up into seedling, then grows up into plant, how the egg grown up into a baby bird and then become an adult bird. And about the human beings also we have studied that how the infant, a small baby, develops into a teenager. After teenager it develops into an adult, and ultimately adult will go in the old man age. Okay, so these are the stages of life of human beings. Okay children, so this chapter we have studied last time, and question answers of this chapter today I'll send you in the Google Classroom. Okay, so you note down those question answers. And students, today we will start chapter number 5 and unit number 2. Unit number 2 is our needs, and chapter number 5 is food we eat. Means in this unit we will study our needs. Needs means हमारी ज़रूरतें, and chapter number 5 is based on food we eat. Means our basic need or first need is food. So which kind of food we eat, about that we will study in this chapter. So let's read with me. You just open your book and read along with me. Okay, all of us need food. Food gives us strength. Children, you know that all of us need food, means we all have to need food. You know, then one day if you not take food, or if even one time we will take our food very late, then we feel so much laziness and we feel lack of energy. Okay, so what food give us? Food gives us strength. Strength means takat, strength. Okay, without food we can't perform any activity. Even you don't want to play also if you don't have food, proper food at right time. Okay, and energy to work and play. And what food gives more? Food gives us energy. And this energy, what is the function of this energy which food gives us? Food gives us energy to work, to do any type of work, just like you are doing homework, you are reading something, you are helping your parents. Those all the works, that time only you can do when you have proper food. Okay, and play also, I told you that without food you can't play also. So we cannot live without food. You know, we cannot live without food. If anybody not give us food for a single day, then we may fall sick, or we feel so much drowsiness. बहुत weakness लगेगी हमको. We need good food like fruits and vegetables from plants. Children, we always want good food, nutritious food, just like fruits and vegetables. You know that fruits and vegetables are very, very healthy food, and these food provide our body minerals, vitamins, and other many things which are very very important for the body. Okay, and they provide strength to our body, and we can fight against the germs and diseases by using these kind of fruits and vegetables. Okay, and from where we get fruits and vegetables? You know that fruits also we get from plants, and vegetables also we get from plants. So plants are the main source of food. So here children, they have given some pictures. You see this apple is we also get from plants. Brinjal also we get from plants. Papaya, these are the fruits. This is vegetable. This is also fruit, and papaya is fruit. Carrot again vegetable. Carrot also we get from plants. And cauliflower also is a vegetable, and we get from plants only. So let's read next. Plants give us pulses like pea, lentil, and gram. Children, here they have mentioned about the pulses. Pulses means dalein. At your home, your mother must be cooking many kind of pulses, just like pea. Lentils means like moong dal or arhar dal. These variety of dals can be cooked at your home. So these are coming under the lentils. And gram means chane. Okay, so these things also we get from plants only. And all these are coming under the pulses category. So plants give us cereals like wheat, rice, and corn. From plants, many more things we also get, just like wheat means gehu, rice means chawal, and corn means makka. Okay, so these are the three things which are coming under the category of cereals. These all the three plant products we get from plants, and these are coming under cereals. And our main staple food is prepared with the help of these cereals. You know that children, we are making daily, your mother is cooking roti, which is prepared from the wheat flour. And rice also we use daily, and rice also we are taking as a main food. And sometimes corn also using, and some people daily using corn. In some part of our country, people used to have daily this corn also. So this is about the plant foods. So here children, what we read from this as a plant food? First, we get from plants fruits and vegetables, which we have seen here through these pictures. And second thing, what plants gives us? Plant gives us pulses. And third thing, plant gives us cereals. Okay,